What's up, guys? Welcome to today's episode of 5 Minute Math, the program where you give me 5 minutes and I give you the day's math lesson. Now, today we are looking in Chapter 2 at Lesson 4, Lesson 2.4, and today's lesson is on using bar graphs. All right, so bar graphs are typically, they're not like picture graphs. They're similar, but instead of having a picture, you have these bars, and a lot of times they'll color the bars different colors to represent the different people that participated in whatever they were trying to graph and record. All right. Now, a bar graph, it uses bars to show the data, and they do a scale of equally spaced numbers. So you can see here that Kate has read 12 books because we have the number 12 right there. All right, I'll zoom in a second. All right, let's see here. So taking a look at this bar graph, guys, we have books read in October. Now we can look at the bar graph and just look to the farthest point over here and see that Kate read the most books. All right. Notice the scale is from 0 to 16. They go by twos. Now, why do you think they went by twos when they were numbering? Well, to number all the way to 16 would take up a lot more space. So when they realized that they go up to the number 12, they said, well, I can just skip count by twos and fill my graph in that way. Notice for Amy, she's halfway between the 8 and the 10. What number is between 8 and 10? Yes, you guessed it, 9. So that means Amy read 9 books in October. All right. The title always tells you what this graph is about, and each bar is labeled with a student's name. Okay, that's pretty much it for this graph. All right. Find the bar for Seth. So that's the green one here. It ends at, if I look at Seth, I go down, I can see that it ends at 8. So if I draw a line straight down, boom, 8. So Seth read how many books in October? 8 books in October. How many books did Max read? Here's Max in purple. Well, it looks like Max read, if I go straight down, I can look here at this number. Looks like he read 6. So I'll fill in 6 for Max. Who read 4 fewer than Kate? So that means Kate read 12. What's 12 minus 4 is 8. Who read 4 fewer? Seth. So I would write Seth in there for him. Seth. Hey, these kids look happy to be doing math. What if Amy read 5 more books? How many books did Amy read? All right, so what if Amy read 5 more? How many would that be? So we have Amy here at 9. If she read 5 more, we would have 10. Then we would have, so 5 more than 9 would be 14. So I'm going to put 14 for Amy. And then it says shade the graph to show how many she read. So after she reads 5 more, she's in blue here. So here's 1 more. There's 3 more. And 2 more. 5 more. Would bring us to 14 for Amy. All right, guys, that's how you read bar graphs. I hope you enjoyed today's episode of 5 Minute Math. Don't forget to tune in tomorrow for another exciting episode. Take care.